Here we go, got the problem solved. Those are all the LEDs. They're all working. Fix the short. Left. Now the right. And then got the stoplights. Those are bright. Let's see how bright those LEDs are. Look at that. I recommend switching over to LED. And I hope you guys all have a great one. All set and ready to roll. Oh, that was the other thing I did. I painted the rims, painted them white. The other thing I'm probably going to do is the bearings, I think, are only like $9.10. I'm just going to order new bearings. The other side's got me nervous, but hey, we'll get to that another time. Later.